What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon here, and I was driving through a new neighborhood in New Orleans, and look what I saw. One house for sale, two houses for sale, three houses for sale, and then one down there on the corner for sale. Four on the same exact block. Absolutely crazy. If you see this, it probably means you're a little too late. You're literally a little too late. The people who are going to get the upside on this opportunity are the people who are actually selling you the homes. The fact of the matter is that your first investment property is not going to look like an HGTV home. All these homes have been gutted, completely finished, all that thing, granite countertops, all that stuff, open concept. But your first investment property will probably not look like this. You'll probably be buying this at the peak when you actually want to look for opportunity. If you buy right, you should have immediate equity in your home if you buy right. And then the cash flow, the appreciation, the tax advantages, all that is just icing on the cake. So be careful if you see something like this.